Whoops. Let me try that again. Hello, welcome. Let me try that again. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne. How are you? I've got a happy mail here. Now, this is from somebody who has recently has changed their name. This is Kat Burrows Design, illustrator and designer. They were Mum and Me Handmade Designs, but they've gone through a change. But so some of their stuff still has Mum and Me Handmade Designs. So as you can see, I've got some orders here. So let's have a look at what I've got. Awesome, great customer. Apparently I've done 5+ orders, apparently. Gee, that's a bit of a worry, isn't it? I always get worried when I'm, sometimes I don't. Now, she recently had a sale, which is why I got these. Because A, it was the end of financial year sale, and 2, she's just changed her name. So I think she wanted to get rid of, I think she's looking to get rid of her stuff so that she can put her new things on there. So this is, it says 5+. So there's a whole pile of different things in here because I think I did 2 orders, so it may have got all a bit confusing. So this is, so it says, 5 awesome, great repeat customer, 5+ orders. So this is a freebie, this is a thank you card. And her socials, so you can have a look. Then we've got the business card. She's an illustrator and designer, and so she said, I've changed my business name. Slowly over time she'll be updating her products. So okay, then it's got that. I don't care. And then I also had that. So I just, for a lot of it, I wanted date dots. So that's page 7 of an Australia kit, because again, I've got the AFL football, the cricket bat, all things that represent Australia, and I wanted some of these. I needed these things here. So that's for that one. The thing that really excited me was this kit here. This is Paris 2024. Now, I ordered Paris in 2024 in 2 sets. I ordered a full kit and I ordered a half kit. So this is the ultimate kit because I wanted to put it in both of my planners. That was my plan. Right. So you can already see here. So when the Olympics start, okay, when the Olympics start, I'll be all, I'll have all my pages designed for it. This is the add-on kit. So we've got here some gymnastics leotard. We've got ribbons, French flag. Okay, so this is add-on. So these are boxes. Beautiful. And then, so there is some foils there. So you've got gymnastics here. You've got is that a silver medal? A medal, and you've got beach volleyballer. There's 2. So this is the foil. So this is the foil kit. So the flame, the washi. Look at that. The days of the week. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Look at it. So the Olympics starts in a couple of weeks, and so I will have my, I will be sure to make sure that I've got my pages all ready to go for the Olympics. So that was the ultimate kit. Okay, so there was a few bundles because I think I did them, I was a bit excited, I think. So this is Australia. Okay, so this is, I can already tell you, this is Melbourne. So this is the city that I live. This is Sydney, because that's the Sydney Harbour Bridge. That might be Queensland. And then you've got other bits and pieces there. So that's Mum and Me Handmade Designs Australia. So we've got that page there. Lots of boxes because I need lots of boxes. Our standard weekend. Oh, look at that washi. Look at that. Beautiful. And then, I don't know why I ordered 2 pages of that. I don't know why, but anyway, I don't know. And then that's obviously part of the northern, I'd say that's the bush. Okay. So let's look at this one. I ordered a grab bag of weekly kits. So these are just random weekly kits. So I don't know what's in them. It was a grab bag, and again it was marked down. It was, I think it was half price or something. Ooh, there's a few here. So I don't know what they are until we look at them. So we've got Spooky Party, Hellfire, Father's Day Camping, The Porch, Snowdrops, Pink, Letter, Rainy Day. So they are the kits. And I mean, so let's open them one by one. So I think I'll have kits for a while. Now I do have another lot of Happy Mail coming that will have all my date dots in it, I'm sure. So we've got Rainy Day. So that they sort of have the same. You get a page of these, and then you get a page of those, and then a page of boxes. Today's and to-dos and little things and that with the weekend on it, and then some of that. And then, oh look, this one's got a calendar on it, so that's good. So this one has got numbers on it, which will be handy because we can use them. So that's got numbers with it, and then you get these as well. So that's pretty cool. All right, see how many of these come with it. So this one is called Letter. So it looks like it's from old style. The illustrations are here. I believe she's an illustrator as well, her own illustrations. So we've got all of that here. Beautiful colours. Beautiful colours there. So you'll find a lot of people that own shops, they use the same template, but just change the stuff, you know, change the colours and change the stuff. This is beautiful. Look at this. And then another set of numbers and another set of... So that's good. And I've got weekly kits coming into my other one. So these mainly are going to be from Hobonichi. For the Hobonichi. So I'm going to have a lot of kits here. As I said, I don't often buy a lot. But when I do, I buy them on sale. So I've had a big spend up now. So after this lot, there probably won't be much for a while. Okay, so this is called Pink. And there's that one. And that one. All pink. And not forgetting, I've still got the Blue Star Wars one as well to put in there. And more numbers. As I said, I'm really excited about having the days and the dates because, and there's that. So it comes with all this extra stuff. And from my own history, and these will just sit in here, by the way. I'll put these in here. From my own history and from my own knowledge, for example, I know that I probably won't use them. All of them in my albums, so they'll last me. I mean, I'm still using some of the kit stuff from they fit in there. I think they do. I'm just like, I've still got bits and pieces of Mum and Me Handmade Designs in here. That's a Mum and Me Handmade Designs there. That's another one. So I'm still using So they last for ages. But yes, I'll definitely be putting them in here once I'm done. Okay. We're still not not finished though yet. We've got snowdrops. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. I'll leave the link down for this. Okay, so we've got snowdrops. And oh, look at those colours. They're beautiful colours. Man, they just work. The shades of green and they're really nice. Look at that. Yeah. So we're going to have a lot of fun over the next little while with all of our planning, aren't we? I mean, there's at least a couple of months left there. But as I said, I started out looking for the Olympics one, and then there was a sale on. So this is called the Porch. Ooh, all the pebbles. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Birdies. And you always get the extras pictures there, so that's it. As I said, she's an illustrator and an artist, so but you're as excited as what I am about these, because I'm very excited. I'm getting quite excited. So we've got Campfire Father's Day. Now, Father's Day in Australia is in September, so again, it will be perfect for around that time of year. Nice. Number one, Dad. And as I said, I'm all excited because each of these extra kits here have got the numbers, have got the dates with them as well. So, which means my my little Hobonichi won't be running out of date dots for a while. So this is Hellfire, so you've got Stranger Things here, and this colour. For those of you watching along with me, I'd be interested to see what you think your favourite one is. I do like the Olympic foil one. I have to say I do like the foil one, the Paris one. Yeah, I just came across that accidentally. Look at that. I came across it accidentally, that there was a Paris, that she had done Paris. I've still got another one here yet. I think this is the unfoiled. I think I got foiled and I got unfoiled. Yeah. But the Olympics goes for 14 days, so this way I can do 2 weeks in a row. So this is Spooky Party. It's great for Halloween. Yeah, so she was just doing a grab bag sale, and again, I think it was marked down it was a big markdown, and I thought, you know what, I'll get this. Wow, look at that. Now these, in case you're wondering, are just little bits like that. Just little tiny tabs like that. Nice. Okay, so this one, and you've got that one. Okay, so this is the last one that I did, and I've got the same free gift here. Hang on. Okay, I'm just trying to work out how to get into it. There we go. Okay, there's more in here. Okay, so I've got... Yes, so I did actually just buy numbers because I know, maybe she sent me the same thing again. Because that's Australia and that's the Paris. Maybe, I don't know what's happened here. I don't know. I don't know. I got 2 of the same lot. I don't know. Okay. Nice. I thought I did order 2 kits, but I thought I ordered one without foil. But anyway, I don't know. So the other thing I did was order some to-dos and some dates here and some numbers. And I ordered a few of those in a couple of different colours because I needed them in different colours. Okay. And so because I've also now got numbers, I'll be right for a while. It's a different one. Okay. Yeah, and that one again. Yeah, so I don't know what I was doing. I don't know if I ordered them and paid for them. I don't know. But anyway, they're the same. So out of all that you've seen, what is your favourite? So I said, I think for me, I think the Paris one is my favourite. I think I really like the Olympic ones. But let me just show you them again. So I just love the Olympic ones. Look at that. I'd say that's my favourite. Anyway, so I've got enough kits here to last me a while. And yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Just have a quick look in this one. Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember what I did. I remember I wanted 2 Olympic. I know I ordered 2 Olympic kits because I wanted 2 Olympic kits because I wanted to make sure that I had enough stickers. I wanted to make sure that I had enough to get me through the Olympics. That's all. Yeah, so Paris. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that great? Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what I've done. If anyone can work me out, please let me know. But yeah, I think the Paris ones are my favourite, and then followed by, I think the little one, I think. Anyway, let me know what your favourite one is in the comments below, and yeah, look forward to having you join me as we go through this monster haul, and we plan and plan and plan like there's no tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching and joining me. Bye. Thank you. Bye.